Hello Smarties, Assalamu alaikum. In our Arabic lesson today, we will learn the letter Ba. Let's see how to write it. To write the letter Ba, make a small boat and put one dot below it. Make a small boat and put one dot below it. That's right. Let's see the different sounds it can make. We have Sawt Qasir, the short sounds. Ba with a Fathah, Ba. Ba with a Kasra, Bi. Ba with a Dammah, Bu. Ba, Bi, Bu. Sawt Tawil, the long sound. Ba with Alif next to it makes Ba. Ba with a Ya next to it makes Bi. Ba with a Waaw next to it makes Boo. Ba, Bi, Boo. This is the Tanween sound, the double vowel sound. Ba with double Fathah makes Ben. Ba with double Kasra makes Bin. Ba with double Dammah makes Bun. Ben, Bin, Bun. Did you know that Arabic alphabets look different at the beginning, middle and end of the word? This is how it looks when it's all alone. This is how Ba looks at the beginning, in the middle and at the end. Now it's reading time. These are the short sounds. Ba, Bi, Bu. The long sounds. Ba, Bi, Boo. Tanween sounds. Ben, Bin, Bun. Let's practice reading those sounds now. Boo, Ba, Bi, Boo, Ba. Is this the long sound or the short sound? The short sound. Ba, Bi. Here we have Ba with two different sounds. Boo, Ba. Ba, Bi. Baba, Bibu, Boo-boo, Boo. What letter is this? It's an Alif with a Fathah. A, Aba, Ibu, Babu. Now it's writing time. The Arabic word for duck is Battah. We have a missing Ba. This Ba has a little hand to join with the letter after it. This Ba has a little hand to join with the letter before it. Over here, we need Ba to have a little hand to join with the letter after it. So we will choose this one. Kitab. Kitab means a book. Which Ba should we choose? Should we use this one which has a little hand before it, or should we use this one which has no hands? Do you remember that Alif is a one-handed letter? Alif will never join hands with the letter after it. So we will choose this one. Tabibah means a doctor. Here we need a Ba which will join hands with the letter before and the letter after it. So we will choose this one.